Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to translate text from screenshots on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, let me take a screenshot of a specific picture right here. For example, this one. Let me screenshot this one first. Once done, then I can now exit and go to my gallery or file folder. So as you can see, this is the picture that I have screenshot. Inside the gallery, there is a no translate text from screenshot feature here. So what you're going to do is you have to exit and go to your Google, specifically look for your Google Photos, and then insert or import the screenshot picture from your gallery here. So like this, I'm going to tap this one. As you can see above, there is this language. So if you want to translate this from English to a specific language, all you have to do is tap that one. There are tons of languages here that you can choose from. Then it will just translate the text immediately. So that is how wonderful and amazing this Google Photos translate feature. All you have to do is tap the language and it will just translate the text. Even if it's just screenshot or if you took a picture, you just have to import or add this to your Google Photos. And that's how easy it is to translate text from screenshots on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.